Welcome, here I've got ARCHOS Diamond Gamma and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera pro mode at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it to the pro by using this settings bar and just simply sliding to the left. Here we are. The pro mode gives us possibilities to choose shooting parameters by ourselves, and this is useful when we want to learn photographic skills and making experiments. So let me start with this settings bar. When we pick this, we get access to this sliders, and here we can adjust some settings. Now let's start with this one, the white balance. Here we can change the temperature of our picture. We can make it more warm, as you can see, by going to the right, or more cold by going to the left. Also we have these small icons, as you can see, that suggest us which light is good for which conditions we have in the area where we take a picture. So we have the incandescent light, fluorescent light, daylight, cloudy light, shadow light, and independent light. So this is really cool that we have this here, and of course the auto white balance is at the beginning of this slider, so there's no problem to go back to the auto settings. Now let's move to the next one button. Here we have the ISO. So here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light. We can make it less sensitive from 100, and by going to the slider to the right we can make it much more sensitive. So this is really wide spectrum here, and this is how it works. Of course at the beginning we have the auto settings, and the last one button here is focusing. We can change autofocus to the manual focus, and this is how it works here. So there's no problem to adjust the focusing. And also here we have one extra tip, that as you can see here we have one extra button. When we adjust all of the settings and want to go back to the auto settings, we don't have to manage all of the sliders and go back to the beginning. We just have to tap on this reset settings, then by just one tap all of this go back to the auto settings. So this is really cool here. And now let me go to this button here. When we tap on this, we get quick tutorial about the pro mode. So I've shown you the basic things about it, and here you can also learn from this and read about all of the settings, and this is really cool that we have this here. Now let me take a picture by using this setting. So for example, let me pick maybe the daylight, ISO here, and focusing stays here. Now let's go here to the left corner at the bottom. By tapping on this we get quick access to the gallery, and this is my picture. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.